मेरे कुछ ड्रिंक्स होते हैं जो मैं रोज पीती हूँ. सो मॉर्निंग में मेरा
आकाश कह रहा खून भी. It started with the vision to do something big. And then came the scooters, the Shark Tank, and then changing India's streets one electric ride at a time. They're building India's EV revolution, they're raising a family, they're running a business, and yet they're managing to show up to shows looking like they've done with their beauty sleep. One brings in the spark, the other one brings in the spreadsheets. One brings in the energy, while the other one brings in the execution. But together, they are the voltage behind Zip Electric, India's last mile EV delivery partner. Akash and Rashi, welcome to the Original You Show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, what an amazing introduction. Appreciate that.
मेरे को भी कभी-कभी ऐसे जाता हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कि इतनी अच्छी तारीफ तो मेरी माँ ने मेरी.
I know, precisely. अच्छा, shows पे आते रहना चाहिए. Saturday को ऑफिस करके ये सब करना चाहिए.
Motivation.
Yeah. So, of course, we'll talk about entrepreneurship, the grind, our journeys. But at the Original You Show, we like to uncover the people behind. Bring out the real unapologetic self. Because asli stories वहाँ पे. Right? I think, especially, and I would say, in pretty much every walk of life, but more so in startups, वो क्या होता है ना, the blitz is very visible. The hard work isn't.
True.
The struggles isn't. So थोड़ा बहुत उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, but chill रखेंगे.
Yeah.
Let's keep it original.
Sure.
Yeah, whatever comes to you. All right, so let's start with how this partnership came by, right? Because of course there's a life partnership, there is a business partnership. What came first? How did it graduate? Thoda just give us the tea.
Oh man. No, so I think if you talk about life partnership, we go back 14 years, right? Zip is 7 years. So the first 7 years were life full of fun, full of adventure, full of travel, full of growing up, the relationship.
Yeah.
We had a ball, right? The first 7 years of our life. And I think those small unlocks of life is what we enjoyed. We met in a very interesting way, I mean, our love story relates to the movie Socha Na Tha. If a lot of people would have watched that, it's very similar. हम लोग मिले, हमारे पेरेंट्स लड़ लिए, and then हम डेट करते रहे और फाइनली उनको reconvince किया. We kept meeting other people, but because of the family, but we continued meeting or dating. So that's how our life partnership started. Maybe business partnership, Rashi, or maybe add your flavor to it if you want to.
Yeah, I think we got married in 2011. अपने जॉब में कंफर्टेबल थे, चल रहा था काम. बट थोड़ा मैं अपने जॉब में बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय नहीं कर रही थी. तो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टॉक टू आकाश की कुछ और करते हैं, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करना है. एंड देन ही सेड कि तुम अपना कुछ क्यों नहीं शुरू करती. So that's how we started thinking about doing some business. And I said कि हाँ, I think it's a good idea. Let me give it a shot. तो हमने Let's Flaunt पे काम शुरू किया. That was the first venture. For 3 years हम अच्छा खासा चल रहा था business. We were making good profits and everything. बट वो ना एक जो कीड़ा होता है कि यार कुछ और बड़ा करना है, बिकॉज उसमें एक लिमिटेशन थी कि वो थोड़ा कमोडिटाइज बिजनेस था. उसमें आप एक लेवल तक स्केल कर सकते थे. इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी इन्वेस्टेबल बिजनेस आल्सो. एंड हम दोनों को था कि कुछ सस्टेनेबिलिटी के ऊपर करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है, कुछ डेंट क्रिएट करना है. तो इसलिए हम लोग ऑलवेज वी वर व्हाइल आई वाज रनिंग लेट्स फ्लॉन्ट, ही वाज वर्किंग इन हिज रिस्पेक्टिव जॉब्स, always in a lookout for something interesting that we can do. And that's how Zip Electric happened. I think Zip Electric, Akash ne, so interestingly, I was out with my girls for a trip. And I still remember that I was in the night, I was having a gala time, and he called me up and he's like, Rashi, we got a business idea which we've been exploring for some time. I'm like, okay, बताओ क्या है. He's like, हम लोग ना डॉकलेस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइकिल लेकर आएंगे इंडिया में. एंड यही होगा.
तो बाहर बहुत चल रहा था वो.
चाइना में बहुत
चाइना में बहुत चल रहा था.
था.
Yeah.
$1 billion.
I think broadly South East Asia में पूरा ही काफी चल रहा
Oh,
था.
yes.
Europe also I believe.
Correct.
Europe
Yeah.
also.
एंड देन आई वाज लाइक काश हम इंडिया में बैठे हुए हैं.
हाँ.
यू नो ना, हम
Yeah.
इंडिया में बैठे हुए हैं. इंडिया में कैसे चलेगा ये बिजनेस मॉडल?
कोई साइकिल उठा के ले जाएगा.
Precisely.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
She was like पागल हो गया था.
You come back.
Yeah.
Let me come back home and we will talk about
Yeah.
it आराम से. अभी
Yeah.
नहीं. So I went back home and then we discussed this for almost a week. I was not convinced. Honestly, I was not convinced about the idea. So he kept convincing me कि मैं इतनी सारी limitations हैं इस business में. India, I don't think is yet ready for this business idea. So he said कि यार conviction है, शुरू तो करते हैं, नहीं समझ में आएगा तो देखेंगे क्या करना है, but कूदते हैं इसमें.
हाँ.
And then we both just put all our eggs in one basket and started this. So that's how our journey for Zip Electric
My vision was clear यार कि ये अगर मतलब all in करते हैं, ये एक बिजनेस में अगर तुम रहोगी और मैं ये बिजनेस करूंगा, दो बिजनेस दो नाव में नहीं चल सकता. एंड आई नीड यू
Yeah.
बिकॉज ये धंधा हमने बना लिया, धंधा बनाना आ गया है अब अपने.
Correct.
कंपनी बना ली, एक
Basics
स्केल
आ
कर
गए.
लिया, प्रॉफिट भी बना लिया, तो धंधा बनाना आता है. अब तुम्हारी इतनी एक्सपर्टीज है फाइनेंस की, मेरे को ट्रस्टवर्दी एक पार्टनर भी चाहिए. Why don't you come along?
Yeah.
All in जाएंगे, ठीक है, नौकरियां लग जाएंगी, देख लेंगे यार. मैं I left a good job at that time.
And I think we always say कि कुछ नया try ना करना is a bigger risk than being comfortable in your
Yeah.
current job. So
I think there's
that
two,
is-
three things that I want to talk about through that. Number one, I think I understand Let's Flaunt because I used to run a business called Print Venue.
Oh wow,
So-
that was a big one at that time,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, so that was the first startup
Rocket-
I ran.
Rocket का ही था ना?
Rocket का ही था. You're right. You're right.
Nice.
You're right. So Rocket had invested very
Yeah.
early into that business. So I was building Print Venue, and my only issue with that was precisely the one that you talked about.
Yeah.
कि यार मुझे हमेशा पता था it's a great business, like we had 90% gross margins.
Correct.
Right?
Amazing.
लेकिन पता था कि वो it's a business which will
Limitation
grow
है.
50%, 60%
Correct.
year on year.
बस.
But उसके बाद वो stable state में
Correct.
ज़्यादा नहीं grow
Correct.
करेगा and वो
Correct.
फिर
Correct.
Yeah.
मज़ा नहीं आ रहा.
Scale. Scale
ज़्यादा
missing
नहीं.
था.
Yeah.
We first met when you were in MobiQuick.
Yes.
तो I
You were in Food Panda.
I was running Food Panda at
Yeah.
that time, right? तो तब हम लोग मिले हैं because Bipin and Upasna are fairly good friends, right? तो उनके थ्रू मिले कि यार अच्छा नंबर एक्सचेंज करते हैं. तो he told me his number. मैंने लिखा, मैं कहा अरे I have your number, आकाश MobiQuick. And मैंने इसको कॉल में लिखा था, अरे I have your number, Saurabh Food Panda.
Yeah, that's how we met in a party.
Yeah. Now let's talk about the last 7 years. Okay. I can only imagine that it was never a smooth sailing. Right? कि कभी हो ही नहीं सकता वो. मतलब I think one thing that is
Yeah.
anybody who comes to me ever for startup ज्ञान, the one thing I tell them is एक ही चीज guaranteed है कि ups and downs तो massive होंगे.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And काफी बार तो from one day to next day हो रहे होते हैं.
Oh yeah.
Right? So, in all of that, how has this equation been?
Madam, over to
So
you.
I think
देखो पहली चीज तो लड़का सही सीखा है.
सीख रहा हूँ.
It's a lifelong process.
Precisely.
Sorry, yes.
So I think 700 साल was definitely a roller coaster ride for
Yeah.
both of us. But of course business में हमारे difference of opinion होती है.
Of course.
No doubt about it because he thinks very differently, I think very differently. But I think that's something that you have to live with because you're running a business and you will have your share of
Yeah.
differences.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's how we've been, I think, running this business.
And it's, I think, the differences which have basically made Zip survive.
I'm very certain of that.
Yeah. क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत different opinion वाले हैं. अगर
Yeah.
she would have been just a follower to say हाँ यार मैं कर रहा हूँ, हाँ ठीक है कर लेते हैं. She's not that.
Yeah.
She will question everything from her lens.
Correct.
She also comes from a business family, तो वो अपना spin डालेगी कि ये है, right? My mindset and my mind share is this, and that is how
Yeah.
I think the maneuverage, the co-founder,
Yeah.
while we are life partners, but in
Yes.
business our calls are very different.
Yeah.
The first 7 years were very different,
Yeah.
where chill कर रहे हैं, enjoy कर रहे हैं, and then we are enjoying traveling and doing whatever we want. But then this journey, obviously, we have to build something,
Yeah.
a new baby, right?
Correct,
And
correct.
even like building a baby, growing a baby, you'll have different opinions.
And how often would conflicts come home?
Very often.
Very often.
Yeah. या बिकॉज जो लोग ये बोलते हैं ना कि हम बैलेंस बनाते हैं पर्सनल लाइफ और बिजनेस, इसको पॉसिबल ही नहीं है।
अगर आप स्टार्टअप चला रहे हो, बैलेंस तो बाहर छोड़ के आओ।
और बैलेंस मतलब आप अगर 90% टाइम ऑफ योर होल डे इज गिविंग टू बिजनेस, देन हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट टू नॉट गेट इन्वॉल्व व्हेन यू बैक होम? अगर कोई आपका डिस्कशन चल रहा है, दैट विल कम होम। आप वेकेशंस तक में बिजनेस को लाते हो, यू कांट हेल्प इट। It's not possible to draw that line. I don't think that's possible.
Because you're also, as a founder, you're living and breathing that. See, it's not
Exactly.
about you're switching on and off a switch.
Exactly.
You
There's no
can't,
switch.
right? एक बार शादी पे वापस आएंगे।
Okay.
आई थिंक आप लोगों की शादी पे कुछ वो बैंड बाजा ब्राइड वगैरह का भी मुझे कुछ स्कूप मिला है, राइट? अभी डिटेल नहीं मिली है।
हाँ, अच्छा। तो मैडम का शो था यार, that was her show.
तो बताओ।
मतलब बैंड बाजा ब्राइड, if you guys
NDTV पे आता था।
NDTV पे आया था।
हाँ, आई नो ऑफ द शो, आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट व्हाट इट इज। एंड जब मैंने ये बताया, जब हम प्रेप कर रहे थे, और मैंने बोला यार ये आई डोंट नो दिस, एंड इट वाज, देयर वाज, ये नहीं पता सब्यसाची का लहंगा मिलता है।
Precisely. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was basically a bridal makeover show,
हाँ।
जिसमें it's like a dream wedding for a bride,
हाँ।
कि जो आप मुंह से निकालोगे वो आपको मिलेगा।
हाँ।
That's what the show is all about.
बनियों में शादी का खर्चा उठा लिया तो मतलब
शादी का खर्चा नहीं
सिर्फ
था,
लहंगा
bride का खर्चा उठाया।
अच्छा,
2.5-3 लाख का लहंगा था।
Only the bride's खर्चा।
And
मैंने
the fun
पापा का
that my
खर्चा बचा लिया था।
family had in front of the cameras, getting
I'm
you know
sure.
shown on the TV.
So and it was the first season, first episode was ours.
Season 1, episode 1.
Yes.
Rashi, you always had content in you. You're just coming back to it now. Seriously.
हाँ, तो मतलब बेसिकली
सोच रहे हो?
वो कंटेंट दोनों में कूट के भरा है। पहले ये शार्क टैंक, लेट्स
Shark
टॉक
Tank
अबाउट
आया, वो भी भर दिया।
हाँ, तो ये हमारे तक तो फॉर्म नहीं पहुंचते। ठीक है, तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट शार्क टैंक, हाउ वाज दैट?
It was fun again. यार हम लोग ये फॉर्म्स ऑन बहुत भरते रहते हैं। मतलब ये स्टार्टअप ने सिखा दिया है कि कहीं भी कोई स्कीम आए, कोई इवेंट आए, हर जगह बस भर दो फॉर्म।
करेक्ट।
पर शार्क टैंक में तो तुम्हें I think somebody approached you ना?
With the form only. ये फॉर्म भरना है। Somebody approached me that there is Shark Tank happening. There's a form. Can you fill and make a video and upload? तो भर दिया भाई। हमें तो शार्क टैंक हमने बहुत देखा है, राइट? द यूएस शार्क टैंक,
the US one, correct.
So जब इंडिया शार्क टैंक आया तो हम इस बात के लिए एक्साइटेड थे कि हमें एक्सपीरियंस लेना है, because we used to be glued to TV every day
Mark
after
Cuban
coming
and-
back from office, and we used to watch Shark Tank US like every day.
And then you made content also as a very cornerstone of your strategy, persona, everything, right? How did that come by?
I think that I thought of this कि यार अब ठीक है, Zip is at a stable state. It's a good team. We've scaled to what 200-300 crores business. अभी तक यहाँ पे पहुँच गए हैं. तो अब can I pick a new challenge which is not intrusive to my life? How I can integrate it in my current life of what I'm doing, but I would want to try the content journey and I would want to commit at least 900 days to it. So I took a call on my birthday actually. I took this, some resolution type on my birthday. Ki I will do for 900 days. I actually bought my iPhone on the day of my birthday to commit to this experiment, and it was very cheeky for me to think Kash se Akash. मैंने कहा यार नाम काश से आकाश, but I felt it's true to who I am because my mom always said कि काश नहीं बोलना है और आकाश तेरा नाम रखा है. So she's always instilled this in me all my life as a kid. So मैंने कहा यही नाम रखते हैं यार. This is quite personal to me.
Correct.
So let me bring that out and see, when you're 0 followers and you're putting that name, I mean people would laugh कि क्या चल रहा है. And it was like that. Content journey has been like that, right? First few months you don't see anything and you're just putting out every day. So I used to commit 10 minutes or 15 minutes of my day. We hired an intern. We said that come over, let's do some shoot and we'll put it out. I do my edits myself in a lot of cases. डाल देते हैं एक छोटा सा. And I meet my driver partners. वो डाल देते हैं. कभी business idea, कभी Shark Tank. तो just ऐसे ही बन गया. It's just out of fun and curiosity.
Right.
कि कुछ सीखते हैं and commit करते हैं.
And how was the pivot, the switch? How वो एक the trough of death. I'm sure
Multiple.
that's been
Multiple.
part of the journey. I
Correct.
don't think there is one entrepreneur who can say who hasn't been through that.
True.
So, but how was that that time period, battle scars तो वही है ना,
Yeah.
right? So I'm very certain. I don't know the story, but I mean, I can guess that would have been one of the most testing time period. How was that like?
Many, I think.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of them.
2 to 3
Yeah.
times.
2 to
when
3
we
times
felt-
we were almost close to, not surviving the next 2 months. The first pivot from cycles, when we raised some funds, we kind of built the business, and within a few months, our first investor, who had to give the second tranche, called us that, hey, I have some financial issues. I won't be able to give you the second tranche, and you're scaling the business. And then
And we invested like most of the money of the first tranche in buying vehicles and settling the business because we were just starting up the business. So obviously
Yeah.
we were expecting कि second tranche जब आएगा उससे हम लोग scale करेंगे, grow करेंगे. अभी तो हम establish कर रहे हैं business.
PMF पहुंच रहे हैं. And you're just thinking that we've achieved the first PMF and the second tranche goes away. So, and that's when, the first valley of death you're crossing, and then you are figuring out कि maybe to survive now, you have to try something else. So I think it's an interesting journey of a lot of near-death experiences, but at the same time, those near-death experiences have been pivotal because you take a very pivotal call then of survival. And see, हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं, Saurabh, this is happening globally for the first time.
True.
What we are building at Zip is a platform where any gig partner or any human can basically take an electric vehicle on a daily rental plan. That is what we are building.
Gig as a service,
Yes.
right?
To gig,
Yeah.
a vehicle as a
Yes.
service.
Yeah.
So there is an individual who is an 18 to 24 age group guy coming from a village for the first time in a city to make money. He typically goes to a society to become a guard or a housemaid or whatever, or whatever. They get just 18,000 rupees.
Yes.
Right? That's their survival. And this guy does not have a bank account. This guy does not have a CIBIL score. So nobody can finance him the vehicle. What Zip does essentially to this guy, we say that, hey, you will never be able to get financed, but क्यों मैं तुम्हें 1 लाख रुपए का vehicle दे देता हूँ, and I should know that what you're doing every day. That's my only thing. So I have created a tech platform where I know what he does every day. Because he works and he's able to make 1,000 rupees every day, my platform gets that data. And basis that, I collect my 200-250 rupee daily rental on a technology model, on a vehicle, which I know is the best vehicle because that's engineered by me into the electric mobility side, to a person whose behavior and data point I am carrying with a solution which is evolving and the best in class. With the swap facility available, with a mechanic on a click of a button, so that I am improving your earning potential. I am that bridge so that 2,000-1,500 रुपए दिन का कमा सकता है without any money in your pocket. I am enabling that young individual and making him a micro entrepreneur, a Zip pilot, making him earn now 35,000 a month, which he was getting a 16,000-18,000 as whatever avatar.
Correct.
With a lot of hardships. Now he's a micro entrepreneur. He's paying me a 200-250 daily rental. I'm ensuring that he's up, his bike is top class, and he's getting the swapping service or a mechanic on a click of a button. And this same solution then works to the Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, Uber to get them a new supply of a person who didn't have a bike, which is a new supply in the market. क्योंकि पेट्रोल गाड़ी वाले लिमिटेड है, वो कभी जाते हैं कभी आते हैं, बट हम नई सप्लाई क्रिएट करके बिजनेसेस को भी इक्विप कर रहे हैं. तो इसके लिए हम बिजनेस से थोड़े से पैसे लेते हैं और डिलीवरी पार्टनर को इक्विप करने के लिए हम उनसे रेंटल लेते हैं. That's the business model that we built.
Because I am very certain, kahin na kahin, you would be, in your conversations, in your mind, dealing with the trifecta of linearity of growth, profitability, and purpose.
Absolutely.
Right?
So
मुझे
well
लगता है ये 3 spokes हैं.
Correct.
In a way which somewhere you will need to balance.
Yes.
वरना और यही हमेशा यही है what will keep you going.
Correct.
And यही है जो हमेशा घूम के आड़े भी आता रहेगा.
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So
You've
how
been through that journey.
you have, right?
Clearly.
So
Yeah.
let's talk more about it, because I'm sure it's a very fine balancing act and a motherfucker. Yeah. So
आई थिंक इसमें सबसे बड़ा दर्द तो यही होता है कि जब आप प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी की तरफ जाते हो तो स्केलेबिलिटी की बात होती है, स्केलेबिलिटी की तरफ जाते हो
हाँ.
तो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. जो बैलेंस क्रिएट करना होता है ना दोनों के बीच में, एज यू राइटली सेड, विद द पर्पस कीपिंग इंटैक्ट, वो बड़ा रियल गेम प्ले है. मतलब उसको मैनेज करना इज द टफ टास्क.
correct.
पर जो आपने पूछा ना कि स्केलेबिलिटी और प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को कैसे बैलेंस करते हो और कैसे किया अभी तक, क्या उसमें, आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग में जब हमने पिवट्स किए थे ना, वहाँ पर we started with 5-6 cities in one go, and then we realized कि यार we have to go deeper, we don't need to go wide, and that's how we made. So these are learning curves
ये
that you
बहुत
get.
बड़ी लर्निंग है. हमारे मैनेजमेंट की भाषा में इसको ना नेटवर्क इफेक्ट कहा जाता है.
Yeah.
You know.
एंड आप ये सब चीज़ें करते हो इन्वेस्टर प्रेशर पे आके, आपको एक अच्छा वो बताना है कि भाई मैं तो 6 सिटीज़ में काम कर रहा हूँ. कई बार आप स्केल पे के प्रेशर पे आके करते हो, बट अल्टीमेटली आपको राइट बिजनेस बनाना है, एंड दैट शुड बी योर फोकस कि यार हम उस बिजनेस में क्या सही कर रहे हैं, क्या गलत कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि अगर मैं ज़्यादा वाइड जा रही हूँ तो मुझे ये बात भी रियलाइज़ करनी पड़ेगी, मेरी कॉस्ट भी इम्पैक्ट होगी. मैं 5 हाथ नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं भी छोटी हूँ, हमारे पास अभी आई कैन जस्ट बी इन वन सिटी एंड कैन नॉट बी अवेलेबल इन ऑल द 5 cities possibly. So and these are the learnings that you get over the period of time. So आज अगर आप देखोगे, हम सिर्फ even after 20,000 vehicles, they are just in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai and Bangalore. And कितने मतलब हमारे क्लाइंट्स आके हमसे बोलते हैं हम यहाँ स्टार्ट कर दो, वहाँ स्टार्ट कर दो, हमें यहाँ ग्रो चाहिए. कहते हैं नहीं,
पैसे
हमें पता है बहुत पोटेंशियल है हमारा दिल्ली, NCR, बैंगलोर, मुंबई में बहुत पोटेंशियल है. अभी अगर हम चाहें तो हम यहीं पर 50,000 व्हीकल्स करके भी ग्रो कर सकते हैं. तो हम अभी नहीं अपने आप को, वी डोंट वांट टू थिन स्प्रेड, मतलब वी वांट टू गो डीपर, वी वांट टू सॉल्व द राइट प्रॉब्लम, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. एंड दैट्स हाउ यू लर्न and then unlearn and then do the right things.
The Zip bikes, of course you're saying 22,000 people who kind of driving it daily. Very difficult to miss, right? On the bright green, इतने ड्राइवर देखते हैं, और आज तक मैंने सिर्फ एक ही को हेलमेट पहने देखा है. वो आकाश है.
ये तो फैक्ट नहीं हो सकता. हम तो हर दूसरे हेलमेट देखते हैं, और सिर्फ जिप के राइडर्स नहीं, सारी दुनिया जिप के हेलमेट्स पहनी घूमती है.
जिप के हेलमेट जिप के जितना ही फेमस हैं.
अच्छा.
और जिप के हेलमेट आज की डेट में एक ब्रांडिंग टूल बन चुके हैं.
करेक्ट.
नाइस.
We've sold our 15,000 helmets to a brand because Zip helmets are so visible. और तुम कह रहे हो जिप के हेलमेट नहीं लिए.
We're doing our branding revenue to helmets.
But इसका ये बताओ कि ये
Maybe आपने नहीं देखा.
हाँ, but I think for these EVs the regulations are also slightly different.
No.
नहीं.
So helmets are mandate. मतलब regulations हो या ना हो, we ensure
Zip
that
का
every
mandate.
rider should have to have a helmet. So onboarding
अगली
का
बार
part
कोई
है.
दिखेगा फोटो खींच के भेजता हूँ.
100%.
स्टोरी बड़ी अच्छी समझ में आ रही है. जो बेच सकता है हम बेचेंगे.
धंधा तो ऐसे ही
चाहे
बनता
वो ईवी है, चाहे वो हेलमेट है, चाहे वो.
भारत देश में धंधा ऐसे ही बनेगा.
And that is so true. And why not?
Why not?
Why not, right?
Why not?
So
हम जो कर सकते हैं वो कोई नहीं कर सकता.
Yes.
और सबसे टफ है हमारे यहाँ
इनफैक्ट
पे
हम तो
करना.
अब SaaS का बिजनेस भी कर रहे हैं, मतलब another revenue side is
कुछ
SaaS.
छोड़ दो हमारे लिए.
नहीं आपके लिए चेहरा और लॉन्चेबिलिटी और पता नहीं क्या क्या छोड़ा हुआ है.
इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग टेक बनाया, उससे क्यों नहीं हम लेवरेज
Fair
करें.
enough, fair enough, fair enough. But it's also about empowerment equally.
Oh yeah.
Right, and I'm sure there is. You do a lot of content around those empowerment stories that that these delivery partners, riders, whatever you call them,
Zip pilots.
Zip pilots, right? So, are there some stories that kind of stuck by you, like maybe 1 or 2 examples, like yaar, that stayed with me?
A lot of them.
हाँ.
Oh man, I meet a lot of them, and I really feel for their journeys and where they come.
Give me one example where you said, यार ये रह गई, मेरे पास रह गई है. कि ये कहानी मेरे पास रह गई.
Rashid, do you want to narrate yours? I think one of the guys, he's actually in a way our mascot. I want to talk about him. This guy's name is Narendra Singh. He is a guy who is like my, I would say, vigilante into this entire Zip planet. राइट 20,000 लोगों का एक वो है जो कि मेरे से कनेक्टेड है. दिस गाय इज राइडिंग अ जिप व्हीकल फॉर द लास्ट 1100 days.
वाओ.
सेम व्हीकल.
मैं साल गिन रहा था. 3 हो गए. हाँ.
3 साल. सेम व्हीकल. जो बाइक उसको मिली 3 साल से वो वही बाइक चला रहा है. ठीक कराता रहता है उसको. मतलब ही इज मेंटेन्ड इट सो वेल. ही इज माय मैस्कॉट. उसकी ऐसी मूंछ है राइट. उसको हमने ईसॉप दिए हैं जिप के कि भाई मेरे डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स में भी हमने टॉप 5 को ईसॉप दिए हैं कि ये इतने लॉन्गेस्ट राइडर्स हैं कि इनको हम कुछ अलग करते हैं कि जब स्टॉक मार्केट में कभी गए तो भाई उसको भी दिखना चाहिए ना कि मैं इसमें वेल्थ बना रहा हूँ मेहनत के साथ. तो
ऐसी एक स्टोरी जो मैंने देखी थी. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज फ्रॉम अ प्योरली अदर साइड राइट. तो I don't know if you saw that reel get ready with me for my Dihadi.
No,
अरे यार रुको ये तो दिखा के आगे बढ़ेंगे.
अच्छा
ठीक है. तो दिस इज सच अ
नाइस.
क्या था ये?
दिखाता.
मतलब जिप राइडर.
No. I don't think Zip. This guy is with Blinkit for sure. I don't know whether it's general.
अच्छा उसके कुछ वायरल है क्या? कुछ
बहुत ही वायरल. I think उसको के 12-13 मिलियन व्यूज हैं उस पे.
What?
So
how did I miss it?
It's very funny and it's very nice. ये देखो.
Show me.
So guys, let's get ready with me because it's my delivery job time. But before I go to my delivery job, I always make sure that I feed myself. So here I have my chapatis. I love coffee. So feeding time is done. So let me wear my blanket shirt.
Whoa, nice.
Swagger. As you can see, it's really
Ori part 2 है ये.
I don't need to worry about sundowning because I already applied Scotch's chemist sunscreen.
Man, collabing?
I know.
So I'm
Collabing with a brand.
Go girl, let's go.
Crazy, man. I'm gonna see this. What's this called?
मैं भेज दूंगा.
Yeah. Crazy. Send it to me.
12 मिलियन.
Views on this video, man.
This is one video and he's
Man.
potential like 50-100. आज ही मैं देख रहा था.
डिलीवरी तो नहीं कमाता है.
Yeah, man.
डिलीवरी से नहीं कमाता.
No. I think he would.
telling you.
So a lot of delivery partners they enjoy doing this.
हाँ.
जो 3 साल काम कर रहा है ना वो enjoy कर रहा है. वो
Correct.
उसका हसल है जिंदगी का.
हाँ.
जैसे हमारा हसल स्टार्टअप बनाना है. हम भी कर रहे हैं ना डेली काम. उसकी हसल ये है कि मेरे को ये करना है और मैं अपनी गिग भी कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ. तो the reason I showed this was I think one very important point in this one. सनस्क्रीन लगा के निकला लड़का.
हमें इसको कैरम करने की जरूरत है.
Yeah, Indian delivery partners are a different vibe altogether. I love them. We made an anthem for them. You know, हमने Zip ने anthem बनाया, delivery anthem. We called it the delivery anthem. कि हम में भैया delivery boy. उनकी angst. So we did a rap on this. It's on our YouTube channel. You should check. It's amazing. You know, it has.
अच्छा बना है. You should see it.
Correct.
I shall. And which is why देखो अब ये सेगवे कितना बढ़िया आ गया मेरा.
Exactly.
ठीक है. तो let's now dive into a little bit of overall I would say skincare,
Yes.
keeping or taking care of yourself. I think broadly because
Yeah.
we all deserve to pamper ourselves every now and then, right? So broadly, not just limited to skin, I would say. I think it's very important to take care of yourself, right? Your wellness, your health, your mental health, everything, right? So if there is one thing for both of you individually that you think is non-negotiable, कि यार मतलब कुछ भी हो ये एक चीज I will do on whatever that daily, weekly, whatever it is,
Sure.
niyam se for my sanity. What will that be?
For me, clearly, it's workout.
Yeah.
Right, that has to happen. At least 6 times a week, if not sometimes 5. But that's beyond it. Otherwise, my day I feel very jittery if I don't go and do my workout. That 1 hour is my time. I am doing it for myself. I am hustling with my body.
Yeah.
I am trying to, solve a different problem, a very different area where I am, self-connected.
Yeah.
I'm listening a podcast during that time. It's like my meditation, that 1 hour, and that is helping me getting fitter. So I love that.
Yeah.
Right? That is de facto. Yeah.
And for you,
Workout.
workout?
Yeah. 6 days a week.
She's hardcore. Both of us are like
Hardcore.
going to the
यार तुम मेरे
gym.
पड़ोसी हो, मेरी बात सुनो.
working out.
मेरा हफ्ते में 2 दिन नहीं हो पा रहा.
आ जाओ हमारे gym.
मेरा इंस्ट्रक्टर परेशान है मुझसे, कहते कभी तो ब्रेक ले लिया करो राशि.
हाँ,
नहीं हो पाता. मेरा तो इंस्ट्रक्टर आके आधा घंटा बैठ के चला जाता है काफी बार. ठीक है.
What's your thing? I would love to know yours also then.
Mine would be actually around music, right? So what gives me that? I think it's all about the way I look at it. It's about reaching a zero space in your mind,
Correct.
right? वो zero space आपको पहुंचना है किसी तरीके से, और उसका कोई सही तरीका नहीं है,
Yeah.
कोई गलत तरीका नहीं है.
That's so true.
So because then it lets you not worry about
Yeah.
anything else,
Yeah.
and it could be workout, it could be, देखो try मैं workout के साथ भी करता हूँ, ठीक है?
But
तो
whatever you connect the most with.
yeah,
So
so
the other day, Akash is asking me, कि यार, what is your best time of the day?
yeah,
And I said, it is workout.
Absolutely, she said
yes,
that.
It is workout. Because at 1 hour, it's like it's just me. And
वही.
it's the time to myself.
तो वो ही है basically. बस आपका
Yeah.
your brain
Correct.
is only there with you, and everything else just doesn't matter during that
Yeah.
time.
Correct.
True.
Right?
Absolutely.
But what I've also cultivated, what I have also cultivated over the last couple of years,
Okay.
is a skin regime.
Okay.
मतलब मेरे पास अब अपना स्किन रूटीन है. How many men can boast of that?
Really?
Yes.
Look at it.
You see?
Really?
Men
हाँ.
with a skin routine?
Yes. Do you have one?
I don't think so. I'm like too particular.
आज
about
से
this.
2 साल पहले तक
हाँ.
my entire regime was एक
wash.
फेस वॉश. अरे नहीं.
Really?
ज़्यादा बोल दिया क्या?
Life boy?
Life boy.
इक्वलेंट
Okay.
बेड बाथ एंड बियॉन्ड, आई थिंक जो भी वो
नहीं यार, वो तो
उनका
US
एक-
का brand है.
हाँ हाँ, उनका एक नॉयर आता है. द ओनली रीजन आई पिक्ड इट अप वाज बिकॉज ऑन द लेबल इट सेड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग यू नीड. शैम्पू भी वही है, फेस वॉश भी वही है, बॉडी वॉश भी वही है. ठीक है.
क्या बात कर
ठीक
रहे हो?
है. एक तरह से शुरू करो, दूसरी तरह तक खत्म करो. ठीक है.
Nice.
तो
बहुत ही सही है यार.
है ना?
What a convenience.
See, but now
अच्छी
it's
चीज़ है.
not. Now genuinely it's not, right? So the two habits
क्या
are
बदल गया
genuinely
ऐसा
put up.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में 2 साल पहले?
यार मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगाई है, मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर अलग लगाया है.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी. और मतलब अब धीरे धीरे आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टुवर्ड्स अ नाइट रूटीन. What are
Oh
you
my
saying?
God. Anti-aging.
Yes, because it's important. Skin is your largest organ in the body at the end of the day.
True.
Right?
Face. You're talking about
Skin.
face.
Skin चमड़ी हर जगह है, दोस्त पैर में भी है.
अच्छा.
Right? So
अच्छा क्या है?
पूरी
obvious-
skin?
Fact है ना?
मुझे लगा तुम सिर्फ चेहरे
आज
तक की बात कर रहे हो.
मैं घर जाऊंगा, सॉक्स उतारूंगा,
अच्छा।
देखूंगा स्किन वहां भी है.
और उसके लिए कुछ करना भी है. मैंने जब स्किन के बारे में बात करी, मैंने कहा चेहरे की बात कर रहे होंगे तुम.
ओवरऑल
तुम तो मतलब मेन के लिए बहुत आगे तक पहुंच गए
है
हो.
ना.
तुम अलग planet के लग रहे हो.
हल्के में ले लिया गया.
हाँ यार.
But it's
समझाओ
very
जरा हमें,
important, right?
हम भी कुछ सीख के जाएंगे आज.
Especially for you guys, right? Because you're out and about most of the time.
Yeah.
And देखो बाकी you're partially right because बाकी काफी ढक जाता है. सबसे ज्यादा जो हवा खाता है वो तो चेहरा ही खाता है.
That's right.
Right, so
Correct.
it's the face is this part of the skin, I would say, that's the most exposed,
Yeah.
right? And thereby I think taking good care of it becomes very important.
Yeah.
Right? And वो फर्क I will always tell you, वो फर्क तब पता लगता है जब आप कुछ कर लेते हो. Till the point, no, because
बेच रहे हैं.
how much did you know about workout before you started working out? Before you started working out, कितना ही पता था कि how will it feel? You
Yeah,
can't,
that
right?
is true. That is
Feel
true.
का नहीं पता था.
Of course.
Outcome
No,
का
but
पता
what
था.
you're saying outcome तो पता था, वो तो-
What you're saying is apt.
Right? Because
Yeah,
you
yeah.
only get to know about it once you've gone through it.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? And thereby and I'll come to you because I'm sure आप हमारे इतनी पिछड़ी हुई नहीं होंगी इसमें.
Yeah, yeah. Arey,
Right? So-
everything there's a new cosmetic item coming to our house.
Let's
it's
talk
a
about
mandatory. It's a mandate that one package has to come from one of these platforms,
God.
and it is waiting when she walks in home.
हाँ. Wonderful.
Cosmetics are very important.
तो
for her.
अनकवर के ना प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं. ठीक है.
Make her the customer.
We are
It
going
has
to
to be
launch them
good.
in the next 6-8 weeks max. तो एक पैकेट तो हमारी तरफ से पहला आ जाएगा, लेकिन मेरे को सबसे
Second-
बढ़िया गिफ्ट पता क्या लगता है?
हाँ।
जब कोई आरडी खुलवा दे और पहली सिर्फ आरडी की ना किस्त भर के दे दे।
कैक में दे दूंगा बट कस्टमर परमानेंट बन जाना।
Exactly. ठीक है, तो the first one's on me,
100%.
but then.
Sure.
But yes, let's talk about that, right? How do you take care of yourself beyond the workout? And by the way, the workout will always show, even on whether
Yeah.
it's your skin
Yes.
or overall health. वो चेहरा दर्पण है at the end of the day,
Yeah.
right? So, but what's your routine like?
So I think as much as it is important to have right products for your outer body, it is very important to have the right food, right drinks for your inner body as well, because ultimately glow अंदर से ही आता है, right? So I think I have a very I have a very strict regime of morning and night every day, and मेरे कुछ drinks होते हैं जो मैं रोज पीती हूँ,
हाँ.
सुबह से शुरू हो जाते हैं वो. So morning में मेरा
आकाश कह रहा है खून भी. हाँ, sorry, you were saying.
so मेरा वो अजवाइन और सौंफ और 3-4 चीज़ों का होता है मिक्सचर,
हाँ.
जिसका मैं सुबह उठते ही फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग आई ड्रिंक दैट. उसके बाद मेरा एक आंवला शॉट बनता है, मैं वो पीती हूँ. फिर मेरा इट इज़ क्रेजी, ओके.
सारे ट्रेड सीक्रेट्स मत बता देना।
बड़ा हुआ है.
कोई बात नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इट कैन हेल्प समबडी. देन व्हेन आई गो टू माय जिम, देन आई हैव दिस ड्रिंक जिसमें आपका व्हाट यू कॉल दैट,
चिया सीड्स।
नहीं, वेट, खीरे का
Excellent.
और आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट
आंवला?
वर्ड. आकाश, वेट, ड्रमस्टिक्स और खीरे का पानी होता है.
हाँ.
सो आई ड्रिंक दैट.
हाँ.
फिर वापस घर आने के बाद आई हैव माय चिया सीड मिक्स इन कर्ड,
पुडिंग टाइप.
pudding type, and then I have my coconut water. That's my morning routine for drinks. And then my morning regime for my face is obviously the toner and moisturizer. उससे पहले you have your gel and your morning cream. Then your sunscreen is a must have. And then little bit of makeup that
सीख
you
रहे
do.
हो? हाँ. सीख रहे हो. और फिर शाम में?
शाम में एंड मॉर्निंग में एक चीज़ मैं ज़रूर करती हूँ, आई शुड टेल यू, कि सुबह उठते ही बर्फ़ के पानी में आई डिप माई फेस एवरी डे.
वो जो वायरल ट्रेंड चल रहा है.
हाँ, वो करती हूँ, वो बहुत सही होता है.
वो मैंने भी शुरू
आपकी नींद
किया।
खुल जाती
हाँ,
है.
देखा?
वो मैंने भी शुरू
Energetic.
किया।
हसरत सबकी होती है दोस्त.
बड़ा ठंडा लगता है, मेरे को तो जुकाम हो गया है। मैंने 15 दिन किया तो बर्फ में पानी, एक दिन मैंने वीडियो भी बनाया।
हाँ.
चलो ऐसे बर्फ में पानी बड़ा वायरल हो रहा है तो मैंने भी करा। 15 दिन किया, मेरे को जुकाम हो गया यार, जान ही नहीं खांसी।
हाँ.
But it's interesting. I think what you're talking about, your skin regime.
Yes.
I was just joking. It's very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? And I think over a period of time, even I have started looking at it seriously, right? To say that, yeah, whatever you are, you have to take care of your mind, body, look.
Correct.
Why not?
Yes.
And what will it be wrong for you? You're living for yourself.
Correct.
इतना तो करना ही चाहिए ना, अपने skin routine होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Right? And I think I totally agree with what you're doing.
Because see, at the I think now for both of you, as you're doing more and more content, see, at the end of the day, and I always promote what I call skin health
Yeah.
more than
True.
the looks, right? Because and which is where Uncover, I'm sorry, I'm just quickly talking about it, but which is where ultimately the Uncover story comes by,
Yeah.
right? It's about presenting the best version of yourself.
True.
And if you would take care of your body and in every aspect, right? Whether it's with workout, whether it's with skincare, etc., hair care, why not?
मुझे
Right?
लगता है मतलब स्किन केयर के साथ आप एंड आपकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही, आपका मेंटल sanity is also very important.
I think the new
Whatever
age-
you need
Yeah.
to feel good in your skin,
Yes.
period.
Not just skin, I would say.
In
that
your skin तो वो कहा
the
जाता है.
modern life
Yeah.
is all about, being a better human than what the previous generation was. Right? We'll
Let's-
talk about it. I would want to know more
Yeah.
of your nuances on longevity if you're working on that subject.
Yes,
And
of course we are.
What's your
What's your
what are your
So-
nuances of longevity, let's say?
Yeah, so I think, like I said, the core of that process is oxidation and reversing the damage of oxidation.
How can we do that?
Yeah.
Multiple ways, right? So, of course, by eating better, by sleeping well. That's one natural way of doing it. And then ultimately you aid your cells better. We have drips that we do, right? So we have a drip called NAT+, which helps with DNA repair. We have a drip glutathione, which helps with reverse oxidation. So a lot of the work that you can do, even around weight management, it's a very important part of you being well, and including longevity. A lot of the diseases in life come with obesity, right? So a lot of that, we have a lot of tools that we can help manage. Of course, what answer suits you will be different from what answer suits you, right? And the plan will always need to be personalized, based on your body, based on your needs, and of course we'll also do blood work and stuff like
The
that.
therapies and blood work and all this.
Karna padega,
I don't know
right?
about
Because
that.
otherwise the science
I saw
doesn't
that,
work
yeah.
if you don't have the data.
She's a sold customer already, you know. She knows it.
Okay, तो उसी पे अब करते हैं, because a lot of this bit is not well understood. So I'm going to do one quick challenge where I'm going to go about certain treatments, right, which are all part of our repertoire, and I'm going to check with you what's your opinion. If you don't know about it, then what do you think it could be? Okay. All right.
All right.
Man,
And
scary,
each
man.
of you.
Yeah.
So the first one is fire and ice. तुमने आइस तो सुबह कर ली? आग कहाँ
Fire
लगा?
पे चलने वाला? आग ऑफिस में बुझाते हो?
Yeah.
Fire. I think laser. Tick 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 tick. Laser
देखो ये
treatment.
इंस्टाग्राम के रील देख के आई हैं.
I think fire nice में यही होता होगा, laser treatment होता होगा.
What do you think?
क्या है फायर एंड आइस?
It's actually a facial.
गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स.
हाँ मतलब so it's a laser facial.
No, it's not. So it's basically a facial where you have multiple steps. In one of the steps, both the steps of fire and ice are actually what you call peels. So chemical peels,
Yeah.
right? So one peel will actually make you feel like thoda sa burning ho raha hai, and it delivers heat. And then the next step of peel is basically where you feel the coolness, and thereby it's called the ice.
But is it all good for the skin? I mean, you're doing too many experiments in a way with heat and then
This is not
ice.
experiment. These are all very science-backed treatments.
Really?
These are all, everything that we're going to talk about, they're all
scientific.
treatments done by certified dermatologists. Our dermatologists come from places like AIMS, like Imperial College London, MAMC, Ramachandra, some of the Safdarjung, some of the best institutes that are there across the globe and
These
in
are
India.
proven at scale.
This has all been proved. We do not work with anything that is not completely science-backed, right? Okay, the next one. I find it very interesting. It's the salmon sperm facial.
Do you want us to
The
answer?
expression says it all.
What do you want us to answer?
What do you think it is?
Yeah, वो कुछ वो fish वाला मेरे को तो वही इतना ही समझ में आता था वो dip it into the water and then the leg cleaning will happen. That's all I know about fishes.
No, it's actually again a treatment which is done using salmon DNA, which is actually a exosome. Exosome is basically the new concept when it comes to skin and hair care. So it helps with skin rejuvenation. It helps with hair regrowth, and
And it's like a one-time thing, or you have to do like sessions?
वर्कआउट कितनी बार करते हो?
शायद पर दिन में, महीने में, हफ्ते में
हफ्ते में 6 बार, तो एक दिन में नहीं होगा.
नहीं होएगा.
So it will not need it as much, but anything that is worth keeping will need the effort,
Got it.
right? So yes, I think it is never a single shot answer.
It's like something that you have to keep doing.
No, I think it is always a cocktail. So you'll get this done, and then maybe
Take a break
3 to
for-
4 weeks you will get something else done. So we'll create those plans and programs for you. But हाँ, ऐसा नहीं होगा. अगर आप सांस लेना छोड़ दोगे, सूरज में निकलना छोड़ दोगे, बाइक पे जाना छोड़ दोगे, तो ठीक है, एक बार में जो करना होगा हो जाएगा. But till the point, the irritants, the environmental factors exist. you'll need to keep working on yourself.
Correct.
Right. So, okay. Haifu.
Haifu. No idea.
Some Japanese trick or something.
But
for you.
कुछ तो मतलब हवा
Facially होगा haifu.
एक्चुअली हाइफू फेशियल नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Haifu.
हाँ.
Weight.
हाइफू नहीं.
कुछ weight
Some
related होगा.
Japanese thing, right? What is it?
It's not. So HIFU is actually high intensity focused ultrasound.
Ultrasound.
Yes. So it's basically ultrasound के जो rays होती है उसको focus करके it helps with fat
मैंने
reduction.
बोला weight के लिए होगा.
हाँ, weight,
See,
body
I said-
contouring. Fair enough. Okay. Given.
You have to give me that.
Yes. Credit where it's due. ठीक है, so yes. So HIFU is basically a treatment where we using ultrasound energy, we burn the fat cells.
And it really it works.
It works.
कितने inches तक इसमें मतलब usually?
Depends. So HIFU is most effective on face to create jawlines, etc. And on abdomen, etc. People have easily.
जैसे women का
Yeah.
after pregnancy एक आपका fat रह जाता है.
Yes.
So does
Brilliant treatment for that.
that- Really?
Absolutely brilliant treatment for that. We have more treatments that, of course, everything works in a cocktail. See, होता क्या है कि every treatment is working at a different layer of your body and skin. Right? कोई fat layer पे काम कर रहा है. अब fat layer हो जाएगी तो skin lax हो जाएगी. तो कोई एक treatment हम करेंगे, चाहे RF करें या कोई भी करें, radio frequency से, will kind of take away the skin laxity also. So different treatments will work at different parts and different layers of the skin. Right? So, but as a cocktail, as a personalized program, it will give you the desired results. All right? एक और बढ़िया vampire facial.
हाँ, blood facial.
सी अरे ये तो मेरे को आता है.
Yeah.
मैंने करदाशियन देखी है.
Exactly. ये वो बहुत देखती है वो Netflix
है ना?
पे. नहीं वो.
Never seen it,
अरे वो जो
what I
4
say.
vibes आया था.
कुछ भी.
Bollywood vibes.
आकाश खाना तो नहीं मिल रहा भाई आज.
Sorry. थोड़ा तो देखा था यार.
But vampire facial everybody knows
अच्छा
that.
हाँ, obviously you should know. I'm happy that you know. मुझे नहीं पता.
Yeah.
पता तो होना चाहिए.
For your
Sure.
benefit, so that you know it next time, vampire facial is where we use the blood plasma
Yeah.
to inject it back through microneedling into your face.
Oh my God.
So that it helps with basically plasma में आपके regenerative properties हैं. Right? So that plasma that regenerative properties are introduced back through microchannels into your skin. So that skin breathes better
Great.
and
But I have a
last one.
Yeah.
QR678. अब ये थोड़ा टफ है मैं मानता हूँ.
ये तो
QR
678. आप लोगों को लगेगा स्कूटी का नंबर है, ऐसा नहीं है.
मुझे लगा
ठीक है.
स्कैन करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, इसकी बताओ, लास्ट लोकेशन बताओ.
ये भी कुछ इन्वेसिव सा लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
कुछ
नहीं, this one actually is not invasive at all.
अरे shit.
So QR678 is actually a treatment where it's for hair regrowth. So आप using derma rollers, आप basically it's a solution, meso solution
हाँ मतलब ये
that you kind of do and it helps you with hair regrowth. ठीक है.
Crazy.
तो बहुत कुछ है.
ये तो
I'm
बहुत
telling
लोग
you.
कराते
There are
हैं.
too many
Yes,
things.
of course.
And these are all innovations. Sorry, you're saying something. Coming from the US or
Multiple places, right? So, of course, the research is happening all across the globe. One of the things we want to do is introduce a lot more research in India for the Indian skin. So, a lot of the cocktail solutions that we build
Yeah.
are actually more, focused on creating those treatment pathways which are customized to the Indian skin.
that's very important because our skin is very different. We are
It is very different, right? So not everything that works in the US kind of comes here. So while we have to kind of do that bit, but yes, a lot of the science is global science, right? It works on different. Again, when it comes back to regeneration, the skin color doesn't matter. It's about the layers of the skin. So those things will be global, but yes. Things like lasers that Rashi you were talking about, things like lasers, etc., need more localized research.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
there are proven good results out of all of these. Yeah. Very
Okay.
nice.
All right. So if you had to, from these or anything else, if you had to pick one treatment that you would love to pamper yourself with, for you, what would be it? And for you then?
I would try this weight one. because I think after delivering a baby,
Yes.
that little
Huh.
fat
Correct.
is all.
You're almost
Yeah.
gymming every day.
Yeah.
I'm giving my opinion.
That's
Because
moment
वो जो
of
आपकी skin रह जाती है ना वो कभी that it's very difficult
Yes.
to get back. So I don't mind giving that
Yeah.
a shot.
तो इसको ये जिद्दी फैट पॉकेट्स जो होती हैं,
Yes, with the fat.
right?
yeah.
So yes, I think it's a very very common problem, and
Yeah.
and would love to kind of get you to try it.
Sure.
What about you?
I'll have to learn
Tuh
more
vampire,
on these
vampire.
vampires and QRs. But I would love to learn more
Yes.
and figure
But
out
if you had to
something.
work on one thing on your skin, क्या mood होगा, क्या try करना चाहोगे?
I think maybe something I've never got these facials also, right?
Yeah.
We men
Ice
forget.
and fire करो.
Yeah.
हाँ, but maybe something like that for the face. I've never like facial एक बार शायद शादी के टाइम किया था.
हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद
Most men.
एक मेरे भांजे की
typical.
शादी थी तब किया था. शायद लाइफ में 2 या 3 बार फेशियल कराया. राइट एक बार ये लेके गई थी मुझे स्पेशली ऑन वन ऑफ दोस बर्थडेज और समथिंग वेयर शी सेड दैट वो कुछ मास्क सा पहना दिया था पूरा. इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. आई टू
It was a
पिक्चर्स.
laser facial.
ओह शी इज गॉट दैट डन फॉर मी. तो ये यही किया है बस लाइफ में 4 या 5. तो आई वुड लव टू लर्न एंड गेट समथिंग लाइक एडवेंचरस डन.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
We shall have you for that.
ठीक.
All right, so now we'll go with the last section, quick rapid fire. I'll try and make it as quick as we can. Okay? Because we've talked about business, both yours and mine. थोड़ा फन पे वापस आएंगे.
ठीक है.
ठीक है जी?
But fire की question है पहले share कर देने चाहिए.
तो फिर रैपिड फायर क्या हुआ?
Cheat coded.
If your skin routine was a startup pitch, what would it be?
Inner and outer health is important, so just don't take care of your skin, but also take care of your inner body.
Wow. देखा?
She's switching.
exactly.
Her feet.
Micromanaging your team or micro needling your face?
अभी तो भाई टीम ही है.
But not micromanaging. But
see?
not
I
micromanaging.
would have gone for micro needling.
नहीं. अभी समझूंगा उसको.
Tough.
Micromanaging myself.
Okay. Social media detox or skin detox?
Skin detox, for sure.
Social media नहीं छोड़ सकते. आकाश वहाँ पे.
नहीं.
Like तो
I don't like social media. I'm hardly
Gosh.
there. I'm hardly there.
अच्छा.
I'm just coming every day, posting my reel and going away.
But skin detox is as, I mean, important, but ठीक है.
I agree.
पूरे दिन
मेरा
में
तो रोजी रोटी है.
Yeah.
पेट पे लाते हैं
नहीं,
बाकी सब
obviously, absolutely.
Okay. Actually, this one is very important, especially given your context, and I'll need the answer from both of you on this one. Profit first or purpose first?
from the business standpoint, I would say profits are important.
Focus first.
See, I knew this is exactly why I said कि मुझे जवाब तुम दोनों
और
से
ये
चाहिए.
clearly ऐसा ही. While obviously we'll both be on both sides, but that's how we balance.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course. Okay, and EV ride together or Netflix and chill?
Depends on the mood, I think.
Yeah.
We are both sides.
अच्छा.
When it comes to travel, we'll plan tomorrow,
हाँ.
and we are off.
हाँ.
And that stress buster is a lot of times, isn't it?
And when it comes to movies, now our genre, because we finished the IMDb 250, all subtitled one also. So now our new genre is South Indian movies. With
हिंदी डब
subtitles.
देख लिया?
हिंदी में कुछ बचा ही नहीं.
हिंदी डब.
हाँ हाँ नहीं हिंदी डब भी देख लिया. But I still prefer the subtitles one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
आजकल South Indian movies are the rage.
we love it.
हाँ.
हम लोग नई नई निकालते.
Nah.
Okay, now this entire section, it's a very quick one. We'll do a who's who, right? Which means that in each of these, here, which of the two of you personifies it more and better?
Okay.
Okay. And of course, answers from both of you. It does a simple pointing thing.
Correct.
Hopefully.
Correct.
Hopefully. तो आए अभी तक जो आसार देखे हैं मैंने.
Same कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Okay, who brings in the energy between the two of you?
Anytime.
Okay. And execution? ये actually हमारे को काफी समझ आ गया. Who's a dreamer and who's a doer?
Dreamer, doer.
Okay. And who's the calm and who's the chaos?
chaos calm.
I'm crazy chaos, man.
Always chaos, yeah.
What's your craziest story? Like
Can tell many.
हाँ.
मैं तो मेरे chaos को
तुम तो
chaos
कर
नहीं
रहे हो,
मानता.
तूने तो देखा नहीं.
मैं तो chaos नहीं मानता. मैं तो बहुत logical हूँ.
But yeah, what's the craziest shit he has done? हाँ बता दो, ऐसे क्या देखा?
क्या craziest shit? No, I can't.
बेडरूम से बाहर आओ.
नहीं कैसी बात कर रही
बोर्डरूम में भी तो साथ ही
मैं
बैठना है.
बोर्डरूम की बात कर रही थी.
Who gives the pep talk and who needs the pep talk?
I give the pep talk.
And
He needs the pep talk.
दुनिया में तो जाकर
भाई
खुद दे रहे हो.
घर पे भी यही होता है,
हाँ.
ऑफिस में भी यही है. मैं सिर्फ सुन रहा होता हूँ.
That's the reality
Inspire हो रहा होता हूँ.
behind the
शायद
scenes.
सोशल मीडिया पे लगता होगा मैं इंस्पायर कर रहा हूँ. होता हूँ पहले.
Who's the better negotiator between the two?
Oh, she.
You?
Yeah.
घर में
Anytime.
भी, बाहर भी.
Oh,
Yeah.
घर में तो खैर क्लियर ही था.
Correct.
हाँ.
टफर ये है, नेगोशिएटर दोनों है.
हाँ. Who's the स्किन केयर गुरु? क्या ही पूछूं मैं.
अरे, दिख भी रहा हूँ. दिख भी रहा हूँ.
Exactly. Who's the better cook?
Anytime.
Do you cook?
I just make my things like very weird.
पागल बनाना.
Yeah.
पागल बनाना.
वो मेरा पार्ट टाइम है.
वो part time है, but yes.
But sometimes
Definitely better cook.
I make great Maggi sometimes.
वाह.
I make great bhel puri sometimes.
वाह.
My mixing of lot of things was
जबरदस्ती का point है ये, जबरदस्ती का point.
कहते जब चाट आती है ना, नींबू मैं डाल.
मैं डालता हूँ, ये fact है.
always. You got it.
Who has a better music? See, मैं म्यूजिक पे भी कुछ तो बात करेंगे.
Music में हम दोनों ही
ठस.
Off
Playlist
है,
मेरी
खास.
चलती है.
हाँ.
बट म्यूजिक में हम दोनों ही मतलब आप मूवीज की बात कर लो.
I think Ashra.
आशरा she has like
She's
good
more artistic than
sense.
both of us.
हाँ.
First time in our life we are surprised that our kid can narrate the lyrics. We
हम
both
दोनों ही
are
बिल्कुल ऑफ है
We're very
इसमें.
bad at narrating.
अभी थोड़े दिन रुक जाओ, जो लिरिक्स बोलने लगेंगे.
I know.
I've been through that, so I'm telling you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
बनाया था मैं. Who's the bigger foodie?
बिग फूडी हम दोनों. मैं I don't
दोनों ही
know.
I think. दोनों ही.
हम दोनों ओके हम दोनों में से कोई ज्यादा कोई क्रेजी.
She's more of a sushi kind.
हाँ सही बोल रहे हो आप. वही आजकल की
Yeah.
कि प्रोटीन इसमें
count
प्रोटीन
करेगा.
उसमें प्रोटीन काउंट करके खा रहे हैं. डाइट बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी है. एंड कभी वंस इन अ वाइल बाहर जाके खा लेते हैं. बट वी बोथ आर नॉट लाइक क्रेजी कि भाई खाने के बिना तो सर्वाइवल ही नहीं. ऐसा बिल्कुल
ऐसा आ गया है कि आपने सब कुछ इतनी मेहनत करी, इतना कुछ किया, बिजनेस बनाया, कुछ भी किया और आप कुछ खा नहीं रहे हो.
ये क्या बात है?
क्योंकि आजकल खाना इज नॉट अलाउड. दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ योर रिजीम. तो सीरियसली सोचते क्या करें. हम एक डिश मंगवाएंगे उसी में हो जाएगा और वो शायद बस.
And the last one, I'm calendar invites or candlelight dinners, which happens more?
ऑलवेज.
या फिर डेट वेट भी स्केड्यूल करके कैलेंडर में डाल
कर रखा है बट वो फॉलो नहीं होता. वो एक इनवाइट है जो शायद मिस हो जाता है.
हाँ.
और वो भी अभी प्लानिंग. लेट्स सी.
मेरे को लगा म्यूजिक हो जाए.
वो तो करेंगे आफ्टर पार्टी साथ में.
ठीक है. Great. Then thank you so much. I had a great time talking to the two of you. It was absolutely wonderful. Thank you for making the time and thank you for being here.
No, thanks for having us, man. It was fun. It was so candid. Enjoyed.
Yes. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.